Solar is a fantastic investment for your home. It helps you save money, protects you from rising electricity costs, and gives you more control over your own energy. Homeowners everywhere are increasingly turning to solar, but this is one home improvement that's best left to the professionals. As more people go solar, it's really important to understand how it works and what to look for in a good installer. That's why I'm proud to announce my partnership with Sunley. When I was first considering solar for my property, Sunley approached the process just the way I would have. They took the time to educate me and made sure I fully understood what I was getting into so I felt confident in their ability to handle my installation. They even went over all the financials with me so I could see the value of solar not just as a home improvement, but as a smart investment. I'm excited to partner with Sunley and help more homeowners feel comfortable and knowledgeable about solar as it continues to grow.